Hey guys, if you're new here, I'm Isabella. Welcome to my channel. And kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please like and subscribe. So for today's video, magkakaroon tayo ng blindfold and 2-minute slime challenge. So basically how this challenge works is, magta-timer ako sa phone ng 2 minutes. Tapos, naka-blindfold ako. And dapat sa loob ng 2 minutes, nakagawa na ako ng slime. And pipili din pala ako dito ng glitters para sa slime. Ang cute. So, let the challenge begin! So, mag-blindfold na ako and magta-timer na ako. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, geez. Oh. I'm scared. Please don't be alarmed. Is there any... No? Oh, shit. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what color is this. Okay, where's this spoon? Is there any color? I hope. Oh. Uh-oh. I'm not. Sorry. I can't see, so I will just pick random. What is this? I don't know what this is. Don't explode!
Ginagawa mo!
Yay! Bro, you're... Ow! You know what? Ah, there. Uh-oh. I don't feel like the activator is doing anything. The activator is not doing anything! Am I even putting it in a bowl? This is just water. The activator. Oh wow, this is a... Oh, huh? It's done. It was the activator's fault. It doesn't look. So, hindi umabot sa 2 minutes, ngayon lang siya nabuo. Hindi rin nakita yung mga nilagay kong glitters. So, nag-fail tayo sa blindfold 2 minutes challenge. Kunti lang pala yung nilagay ko. So, nakakatarantang gawin kasi hindi mo alam kung gaano kadaming time at gaano kadaming glue at activator na nalagay. Pero at least I had fun. Okay lang kahit hindi ako naging successful, ay at least na pasaya ko kayo. So guys, that's the end of the video. See you on my next vlog. Bye!